I'm using a chess pass to measure distance and time. Now we will write the information. The distance is 3 meters and the time is 3 also second. And we don't know the speed yet, so we mark as question mark. Now we are gonna write speed equals distance divided by time. Now 4 meters, 3 meters and 3 seconds. Now we are gonna solve. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3. Now we are gonna subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. And here's the answer. And here's the final answer. 1 meter per second. What are the example of motion in our daily life? Number 1, a ball rolling on the ground. Number 2, a person walking. Number 3, a person swinging a ball on a string. That is all my example in motion. Thanks for watching.